Mark Zuckerberg stunned the AI world by announcing Meta is renewing its focus on advancing artificial general intelligence. In a shock declaration, Zuckerberg stated that Meta aims to build an open-source AGI technology for public use. This represents a remarkable shift for the company previously concentrated largely on the metaverse vision. So how does Meta plan to pursue this ambitious AGI mission? By aggressively evolving their internal Llama AI language models, the successors to Facebook's prior BlenderBot digital assistant efforts. Zuckerberg revealed that Meta is already hard at work training their next-generation Llama 3 model to reach new performance heights. Llama 3 and beyond will require massive computational power to train advanced models capable of the multitasking, reasoning, planning, and communication needed to achieve AGI. That's why Meta is sparing no expense when it comes to infrastructure, stockpiling an astonishing number of Nvidia data center GPUs. By the end of 2023, Meta controls over 350,000 Nvidia H100 GPUs, and total GPU equivalent compute power tipping over 500,000 units when factoring additional GPUs in. This represents easily the largest private AI supercomputer build-out in history. To put Meta's unprecedented investment scale into perspective, even tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon don't come close in terms of sheer AI training hardware resources now under Meta's control. Meta is essentially conducting the Manhattan Project of AI infrastructure, pouring vast capital into integrated software and hardware specifically focused on realizing AGI. No wonder many analysts were stunned by the size and specificity of Zuckerberg's commitment here. But perhaps we should have seen this AI pivot underway already. And renewed attention was detectable when Meta plucked Dr. Wu Dao 2.0 creator Jason Tsai from Stanford as a senior research scientist earlier this year. So Meta is gearing up for an AGI revolution centered on evolvable Llama models, and they are prepared to massively outspend any competitor to get there first. The big question remains, can open sourcing the fruits of Meta's AGI labors actually democratize access to emerging technologies that will influence industries, economies, and potentially society as a whole in the coming years? Zuckerberg's commitment to ultimately open source any AGI capabilities Meta's vast investments produce represents a sharp departure from the industry norm. As Meta's capabilities grow, pressure will mount to keep advancements proprietary and tightly guarded as competitive advantages. Yet Zuckerberg recognizes that open availability aligns with his vision of positively impacting communities globally. Could open-source AGI truly democratize benefits the way ubiquitous public software frameworks power innovation across sectors today? By not limiting licensing or access, Meta's AGI distributions could spread organically, improved upon by networks of decentralized contributors. We need only look at software movements like Linux, jQuery, and React to see models for communal adoption driving rapid evolution. Of course, open source carries risks as well if governance and responsible technology practices aren't prioritized. Just like beneficial medical discoveries can be misused, openly published AGI research could enable nefarious applications by malicious groups and actors. And regulating an open paradigm remains challenging. Though Meta leaders will surely emphasize ethical considerations, vigilance across stakeholders is mandatory for open-source AGI to fulfill its promise. Make no mistake, fulfilling the promise of open-source AGI could profoundly reshape business and industry. Once reliably capable language models and reasoning engines are available to all, new startups and apps leveraging conversational interfaces and predictive intelligence could mushroom overnight. Open AGI resources would remove barriers holding back innovative entrepreneurs across fields as diverse as education, healthcare, smart cities, and more. In fact, Zuckerberg sees the fusion of AI and an open metaverse platform as the ultimate enabler of access and opportunity. By connecting open intelligence modules with functionality, allowing interactive glasses to see and interpret the real world, Zuckerberg foresees ambient assistance enhancing our abilities in the workplace, classroom, or even our personal lives 24/7. Imagine an Amos that helps compose emails as efficiently as Gmail, but also discusses strategy with us or tutors our child. Early reception to Meta's Project Nazare, augmented reality glasses integrating AI assistance proves strong consumer appetite exists for always available helpers. Weaving open intelligence that can be personalized into the fabric of Meta's evolving metaverse infrastructure guarantees a built-in audience. AI could supercharge the value of metaverse participation itself, creating gravity for users while accelerating business activity. The possibilities become endless if creatives, medical professionals, architects, lawyers, programmers, and beyond can all build on and extend best-in-class cognitive models simplified via open access. Enhanced conversational interfaces may first target support scenarios before expanding to creative domains as AGI foundations improve. Hanlon's law states, "Never attribute to malice that which is adequately explained by stupidity," but perhaps we could alter it to, "Never attribute to inability that which can be enhanced by AI." In essence, Zuckerberg aims to do for intelligent computing what GitHub did for collaborative coding, make state-of-the-art AI building blocks for any purpose available to all via open-source distribution. But can even mighty Meta pull that off given the technical climb ahead? Some critics argue that promises of human-level AGI are still largely theoretical, and such grand visions underestimate the practical challenges involved. But not everyone at Meta shares Mark Zuckerberg's enthusiasm for imminent AGI breakthroughs. Comments from leaders of Meta's AI research lab paint a much more measured view of progress. Speaking recently, Meta AI director Dr. Yann LeCun tempered expectations for achieving human-level intelligence in machines anytime soon. LeCun suggested today's AI remains far from reaching common-sense reasoning or sentience. Quite the disconnect from Zuckerberg's vision for open-source AGI availability within years. In moderating hype around artificial general intelligence, LeCun critiqued tech leaders overstating capabilities to sell specialized AI chips, no doubt referring to predictions that AI will outperform humans across the board by 2027 thanks to companies like Nvidia. The same Nvidia providing the GPUs Zuckerberg is massively stockpiling to propel Meta's AGI aspirations rapidly forward. Yet LeCun argues today's AI still fails at simple logical and experiential understandings we take for granted. No volume of data can fast-track closing fundamental gaps limiting AGI potential now. Reasonable skepticism is at odds with Zuckerberg's broadcasting intent to deliver open-source AGI capabilities soon. Can Meta's vast resources outpace conservative academics? Zuckerberg bets big they can, staking his reputation on historic infrastructure gambles to vault Meta to lead, pursuing safe general intelligence. He was prepared to open source for decentralized progress despite the long road ahead. Rigorous internal researchers should inspire confidence, even if human-like AI lies years away. Let me know your thoughts on Meta's AGI ambitions, and whether they can pull it off. Please like, subscribe, and enable notifications to follow our AI coverage. Thanks for watching.